bedtime soon. Please tidy up your room. Wow, kids! You cleaned your room so nicely. Good, kids. I'm so proud of you both. Little friends, we cleaned our room. Now it's your turn. Always put your toys back after playing. Good kids help their mommy. Bye-bye. Hey, friends! Did you like our video? If you did, please give it a big like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Press the bell icon for more fun videos. Bye-bye!